Hi guys, nice one for tuning in. Big up to everyone that's already subscribing, and big up to all the new people that have just tuned in for the first time. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. So in today's video we're testing out a new product sent to us by our new sponsor. This one's called Flex Polymer Sealant. It's by Duel AUTOCARE. Big up you guys every time. I'm actually really excited to test this product out. Nice and easy to use. So 5ml in the syringe into 250ml of water in your snow foam gun. Couldn't be any easier for a self-applied protection. You can do this from home. You don't have to be a detail. You can be a weekend washer. But yeah, let's go. So straight away, 5ml in the syringe into 250ml of water. The cool thing is, for only £15 for this little bottle, you get 20 applications out of it, and it lasts up to 6 to 8 weeks. So if you're just using this on your own car, this could last a hell of a long time. So like I said before, just stick it in the snow foam gun and start spraying. Look how easy it is to apply. I can't wait for you guys to see the end result. This is going to be crazy. While applying this product, you've got to make sure you get every bit of the car, windows, doors, so you can see the real effect when it rains. You're going to be wowed away by this one, because I honestly couldn't believe how good it was. So now it's been applied to the whole car. You just gotta let it wait for 4 to 5 minutes so it can do its magic. Best way to describe it would be, it's like it becomes one with the car. You'll know what I mean when you see the end result. What the water does when it lands on the car and how effective this product really is. Here's one of the neighbours' claim to fame.
35 off the letter off. We're famous.
If you like what you see, guys, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to drop a like and maybe a little cheeky comment if you're feeling brave. Yeah, so let's have a look around the car after 4 to 5 minutes of it being sat, binding with the car. And now part 2, simply rinse off until all the product's off the car, and we'll do the test on the product to see how it's really done. Get ready for this, guys, the end result's crazy. I think it's the perfect time when I'm rinsing off the car here just to say a big thanks to AUTOCARE for sending us out that care package full of products. We've managed to be so lucky to try out all of them. We've got loads of videos in the making now, so we'll be back to our consistent ways, posting every other day. The clutch went on our van the other day, so we've been out of action for the last week, but we've managed to buy a new van, back on the road. So we're not going to stop there, guys. That's not it. That's not the end of the journey yet. Lovely stuff. So we're pretty much all ready to go now. Give it the proper product test. Let's see how the water repellent's gone. Look at that, the car's pretty much drying itself. This Flex product is a game changer. Honestly, it doesn't matter if you're a detailer, it doesn't matter if you're a weekend washer. This product should be on everybody's car. I can promise you'll see a lot of this product to come. So now it's time to dry it. After using the Flex, it makes life so much easier. It comes off with just a little brush round. Wait for this, guys. We're going to put this product to the test fully, just so you can see what this product's really about. Look while I'm using the towel. Nothing left over, bone dry. If anybody watching this is thinking where they can get this product from, go on my bio, get on my TikTok. I've got it all over my TikTok shop. All the best products on there. Just click away and buy away, and it'll be with you in the next week of ordering. Nice and quick, and you'll have your product with you in no time. If you don't know where the bio is, my TikTok's Manchester Mobile Valeting. Go check it out. Now look at this for an end result. Nice glossy effect. This water repellent sealant will last up to 6 to 8 weeks before you have to reapply it again, so it's well worth the buy, guys. Now last but not least, the water test. So we're just going to pour this water straight onto the car. Let the car do the speaking. See how it doesn't want to stop at one spot? It's just straight on the car and straight off. And dries itself. Now, come on guys. What more do you want? This is the car after a day or two being in the rain. You can see the water's just gone into little beads on the car. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe.